What is up? What is swell? It's your girl Elliot Dig. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. She's getting dropped off at school, so don't even mind her. Y'all, I'm finna go home and paint. You dig? So just stay tuned, alright? She just wanted to do the intro. Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I got a couple pair of Vans here. These is just the they're all white ones. These are the old school ones. These are just the canvas ones without the shoestrings. If you like sneakers, you know about sneakers and things, you know what the Witherspoon shoes are. So that's the theme that I'm going for this. So I got the gray, the green, the blue, and the pink, and the yellow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that theme on these. You can watch me. I'm in my garage today, so if you see cars riding by, you know it's all right. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint these. I'm gonna, basically freehand it. You know, I might have to add some tape. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, so I'm gonna take some acetone. I'm gonna wipe this part off, and then I'll begin painting. Get it? Alright, you guys, so the camera ended up dying earlier, and then I ended up going to work. But I finished the shoes, so got them. I just sprayed the clear matte gloss on them, so they still gotta dry a little bit. Yeah, they turned out fire. I was gonna paint the shoestrings yellow, but I decided I'm just gonna keep them white, so I'm gonna lace them up. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so it's the next morning. Here they go. Turned out pretty fire. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join the family. I might be doing a giveaway on these. I don't know. We'll see. These fire, y'all. Witherspoons. Yeah. All right. But thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.